What's up, everyone? What's up? Welcome to Tuck Notes Beginner Stock Talk. My name's Tucker, and I'm your host for this channel. And what I'm going to talk about in this video isn't necessarily going to pertain to everybody, but it will pertain to a small population of people. And, I believe that, and I want more people to understand how the stock market works and get involved in it. I think the more people, the more chances of possibly, things going good. Obviously, we have things that go south, but in this video, I am going to explain how to build your own, let's say, Robinhood account or E-Trade or WEBULL. They're all different types of applications that perform the same functions in different ways. So, for example, Robinhood versus WEBULL. Robinhood is so much user-friendly than WEBULL to somebody that has no idea about the stock market or anything about it. And so I say this because I did it, because I wanted the free stock that they offer. If you sign up, if you put $100 down, you get like $8 to $16 stocks, but you get them like a month later. So that's the catch with it. But that's 16 bucks extra to use on stocks. I use that money into my Robinhood account. That's how, MacGyver I was. But let's get back to the basics. All right, number one, choose which application you want to use first. For myself, I choose Robinhood. Why? Because like I said, it's user-friendly. We had our incidences with GameStop and AMC. We still do. But, and the way that they put blocks on it, I'm not going to get into that, but I only use Robinhood for cryptocurrency. I mean, for stocks. Sorry, I'm so sorry. For stocks. So you need, let's just say, Tucker chooses Robinhood. Okay, so I'm going to open up Robinhood. I'm going to sign on to the App Store, Robinhood, get the app, open it up. And it says that I need to have a social security number and I believe, a valid ID. So, and you gotta be 18 years or older, which this video is kind of geared towards people that are I don't know where. Maybe I do have 18-year-olds. I don't know. But you have to have a social security number, and you need to provide your either driver's license or state ID card. They won't accept bank cards as a form of identification. However, you will need one in the next step after. So once you go through and submit your ID and your social security number, I believe it takes probably a few days, or maybe not, maybe even one day, to have it go through its algorithm of reading whatever it's supposed to read. And then once it says, okay, Tucker, you're accepted into Robinhood, yay, okay. And by the way, you do get a free stock for just trying that out. It's worth $4. You get it instantly, but you can't it's worth $4 to $6, but you can't withdraw it right then and take it out. So you also, meaning that being said, you need to have a bank account or a debit card. It doesn't say that right here, but that will, it probably says it in the later steps. I kind of have a little like get what you need to know how to get started. So I have my little cheating notes right here to help you guys. So let's just say when I was Robinhood, I won, I don't know, ABCD stock, and I got $5 from it. And now I've already entered in for the, because here's the deal, you get money, but how's that money going to get from there to your bank account, right? So you have to link that up. So you have to put in your routing number and your account number, or you can put in your debit card number. I did both because it makes it much easier to move money around. You will be given instant deposits or instant access to stocks without having even purchased it all the way. Don't do that. Don't ever do that. It can make your bank account go negative. It's happened to me a few times. So I don't want anyone to make the same mistakes that I made. Once you have your bank account lined up and linked up, and your ID, you're cleared on your ID, then you're left with, now you take your money. There's a thing there on Robinhood on the application where it says transfer money from bank account to Robinhood account, or transfer money from Robinhood account to bank account. And so if let's say Tucker has $500 in his bank account and he wants to use $400. So he opens up his Robinhood account and he goes to the settings, and then he goes and pushes transfer from bank account to Robinhood account, $400, and you push in 40000. Push send like an email, and then boom, it says, oh, you can immediately use this $400 with it not even like it has the money has to kind of clear through their section for it to be valid and be able to use. But it's on a trust and honor based system, so like they kind of like you have to basically like disrupt your bank account and go negative to get your instant deposits or instant access taken away, which has happened to me multiple times too. You do get it back, but you have to wait 30 days. This is getting to be 10 minutes now, close to 10 minutes. And I know your attention span's not gonna be there anymore. So once it's in there, you take your money, put it in there, and then you go and figure out what stock to buy. And for me, I love Tesla. It's helped me pay my cell phone bills every month. It's helped me pay lots of different things in life. And so I'm just a huge fan of that, but that's my personal own thing. This is your own road and destination, and I'm here to help kind of guide if you need, or I make videos to help people understand how the stock market works. And so I invite you to put in some money that you feel like you can lose. So if it's $25, that's cool. If it's $50, that's cool. But I really strongly encourage you in the next week, there's we will have a correction. It seems like every week I say this, but I believe next week will be the one. And stocks will be all at an all-time low. And, well, not all of them, but it'll be a good time to put your money in and see what happens. Put it in, and then just be like, yo, Tesla, here you go, $100. Now I forgot about my $100. Go back to my just normal Tucker life, and then, 2 weeks later, I look at it and it's like $200 or something. I don't know, but that's kind of like how it goes, and you feel good about yourself because you made that investment. And I just remember, and I still the feeling and the high you get off of that. So I hope you guys like this video. It's Tuck Notes on YouTube. I'm on Instagram at TuckerMLO. I do recommend following me on Instagram because I do drop tips and strategies and things and whatnot, and little puzzles and riddles to help you guys and us figure this out about different stocks and stuff. So I would check that out. All right, talk to you guys later. Peace out.